Can you imagine, right after I finished doing everything, I just realized that I forgot the sweet potatoes. That is crazy, and yet they're like one of my favorite things. Anyway, just imagine they were part of the meal prep because I finished doing this already and packed up all the food. I'm not just about to set it up just to take a picture, so just imagine that it was part of it. What's up, loves? Welcome back to my channel. It is Sunday, and you know what Sunday means? It's meal prep Sunday. First of all, I'm so excited. I lost 4 pounds in last week's meal prep. I wanted to lose 5, but I lost 4, which is good. I cancelled off the other week where the meal prep wasn't enough because, you know, I just didn't follow the plan. You can check out that video. I'll link it above. So for that first one, I stayed the same weight because I know how to maintain my weight. Like if I'm not eating healthy, at least I try to maintain it. And then last week, oh my god, because of my dance moves, just ignore me. Anyway, I lost 4 pounds and I'm super excited. In last week's meal prep, I showed you guys at the beginning of the video some of the things I did, and one of the things I'm so excited about that did not finish is these balls. Normally when I make such sweet treats, I eat them like within no time, but I've been so disciplined that I think on Monday I had 2, but after that I've been having 1 or maybe none a day, so that's why I still have 3 left. I had 1 last night, but that doesn't matter. They're healthy. It is amazing that I still have some, so I can take them into next week. Although in the next week I have like so many sweet treats planned because you guys know I have a sweet tooth and I have to, you know, feed my sweet craving, otherwise shit doesn't go well. Anyway, I have a party over the weekend, so I want to be leaner. That being said, let's get into the meal prep. For the lean meal prep, I'm going to focus more on proteins, more on healthy fats. Of course, there's going to be carbs because you know I like my complex carbs, which are like sweet potatoes and cauliflower, broccoli. I like all that stuff, so that stuff is coming back today. And sweet potato, you know what? I normally cook the same stuff but in different ways. So the food stuff is the same, so you'll find like cauliflower in the first week, second week you'll find it in the third week again, yeah, but in a different way. Same thing as sweet potatoes, first week, second week, third week right now, but different way. We're going to do other things, so let's get started. So first we're just going to season the salmon with some salt and pepper. That's it. And then set it aside. While that is resting, just wash our chickpeas. Like I said, this week's meal plan is a lot of protein, so these actually take a long time. After you wash them, you need to like dry them and make sure like you do that with a towel. Just lightly press your hands and like, you know, make them dry, and then take off some of the skin, because the skin is the reason that some of us get some indigestion sometimes, or maybe we have like bloating. This is one of the most tedious and long processes, and it's, you know, it requires a lot of patience. Once that's done, the rest is easy. Just add salt, pepper. I added some some cayenne pepper, but you can add paprika or whatever it is you like. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Mix it together so that everything is like mixed properly. Add that to your baking pan and then make sure everything is properly flat so that it can all get exposed to heat equally. Bake that at 400 for 30 to 20 minutes. Next thing I'm going to do is prep my veggies. The onions I'm going to use to cook, but for the peppers I like to have extra peppers for salad or whatever during the week, so it's easy to cook and I don't have to spend time doing it. I did this last week too, you saw that. And then of course carrots. I've been loving carrots lately as a snack because during the week they're kind of hard to eat, but if they're already set to eat, it's just easy to pick one and go. The next thing is sweet potatoes. You know I love sweet potatoes. I cut them into small cubes so that they can cook through faster, and like the chickpeas, just season them how you want. Add some coconut oil, salt and pepper, and that's it. Just bake for 25 to 30 minutes at 400 degrees. And on the tray, like the chickpeas still, make sure they're all set out properly so that they burn evenly. So put that aside so that we can just add some mustard to our salmon, because today I'm going to add some little mustard before I bake it. And then put it in a foil paper. Wrap it up in 2 foil papers. I didn't show you the other one, but I'll just the same thing. Then wrap it up upside down just so it protects the juices. The next thing I'm going to make is some cauliflower rice, because I want to have like some rice on hand.
basically just grate that. And the other thing is cabbages, just slice them into thin pieces. And then quinoa, sorry this is going too fast. And then wash the beans because I feel like this is like the basic stuff. So for the quinoa, like I said in the last video, just make it like rice. On the pan here we've got some garlic, onions, and then to that I just added some cabbage. On another pan I'm going to saute some cauliflower rice, just add garlic, salt and pepper, basic stuff. Cook it a little bit for like 5 minutes. I don't want it to cook so much. So after the cabbages go down a little bit, add the beans to it. Salt and pepper. Feel free to season this how you want. I'm going to add some basil because I love basil. And some curry powder. Not a lot, just tampo. Because the pan is too small, I can't mix properly, so I'm just going to let it cook and then I'll mix it at the end. I'm just going to add some water to make a little bit of a stew or curry, then cover it and let it simmer. Next is some really easy snacks. Basically what you need is some dark chocolate chips. Put them into raspberries and that's it, like you see in the video. And yeah, and then after that I'm just adding some warm water to the tomatoes just to help them peel easily. You're going to see like that. I'm just trying to make a small sauce because in last week's meal prep I realized that most of my food was dry, and today I just want to just have a little sauce in case I have any dry food that I can just add to it. For the garlic, make sure to remove that little stem in the middle because when you blend it, it causes it to be bitter. Add some lemon, salt, pepper as usual, season how you want, garlic, salt, chili, and then blend it. I was too lazy to use the blender. Add it to anything you have, a container, and then that's it. And that's it for the weekly meal prep. We have some sweet raspberry snacks, some salty chickpeas, some crunchy carrots, and then we also have some fruits ready to go, some sauce for the food, and then we have some fruits ready to snack on. And like I said, it's a high protein diet. We have some beans which are high in protein and fiber because of the cabbage, and then we have high fiber in the cauliflower, and then the quinoa which is high in protein, and yeah, the rest you can see.
And don't forget the sweet potato. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. As usual, I will share the meals I had in the next video. And if you want motivation, don't forget to check out my Instagram page. I'm going to leave my handle at the screen below, and subscribe to my channel and ring the bell right next to it to be notified when I upload a new video, because I upload 2 new videos every week. Sundays meal prep, and then in midweek I do like lifestyle stuff, tips, healing naturally, and all the good stuff. I feel like I'm talking too much. Let me say bye right now. See you guys next time. Bye. Again, I appreciate it. And don't forget to stay motivated, be patient, and trust the process.